If you've lost your TikTok streak, there's a chance to restore it. But this feature isn't available to all users yet. To restore a streak within 48 hours of losing it, open the chat and check for a gray fire icon. If it's there, send a message, tap the restore button, and confirm. If this option isn't available, you can try changing your phone's time zone or deleting the chat and starting a new one with the same person. Alternatively, contacting TikTok support may help if you believe a glitch caused the loss. Streaks signify how long you've been messaging someone, similar to Snapchat's Snap Streak. And while they can be a fun way to show off your interaction, they shouldn't cause stress or affect friendships. Remember, maintaining a streak is just a game feature, and it's okay to take a break if it feels overwhelming.